What's up guys, J-Rod's here, and today we're removing the spare tire mount to install a hitch mount. So first things first, I'm going to take off the spare tire with my handy dandy impact here. And now while I'm doing this, I wanted to go over some of the tools that you're going to need to use while you're doing this job if you decide to take on something like this yourself. Duct tape, grinder, grinding discs, safety equipment. So the game plan here, remove the spare tire access so they can mount a box across the top here, and then also mount a hitch point where they can put themselves a winch on this trailer. Just easy access to be able to take the winch on and off so it's not out in the weather all the time. All right, so I got myself some cheap duct tape. What I do with it is tape anywhere that I'll be grinding. That way I can eliminate and minimize the kind of scratches that I put around this. So that way when I paint it back, I have the smallest amount of paint going on the trailer so I don't have to worry about blending it or making it look like it's been hacked up. So the idea is to cut this off without making it look like it's been completely beat, because we want it to look brand new. This is a brand new trailer. There's no reason to disrupt the integrity of the trailer by putting a bunch of, wacky grind marks because we're just too lazy to tape it up first. I grinded as much as I could, and now we reached the point where we got to pull out the torch. I didn't want to. I wanted to try to keep it clean, and since it's a brand new trailer, not burn as much paint as possible, but desperate times call for desperate measures. I got too small of a grinder, but it's time to step it up to that 9-inch grinder and be done with all the noise. So here comes got a molten pot going right in your foot, man. Funneling off of that.
Yeah, I feel it. It already burnt me.
So after I get this cut off here, it'll be clear cut and dry from here. Just gonna grind things smooth, lay a quick coat of paint, strap on the hitch, bolt it up, tighten it real good with the impact wrench, and send it back to the customer's house and let them have it. And that's it. She's on, ready to pull up any car.